It's build day at the Muse Forest. I'm Brian, and this is Project Redleaf, my build to create a Sugar Shack Nature Center and Family Pavilion 3000, also known as a shed. This is a huge day. I'm going to have a lot of friends come over to give me a hand. We are taking it up a level. We're literally putting the roof on. We got a ridge beam that's going to be installed. It's a triple 2x12 beam in 3 different sections, one to account for a cupola. This cupola is a hole to let the steam out of the sugar shack. It's not going to make for a simple roof. We have to account for different heights and we have to make it sure that's all fitting together. In addition, we're installing 38 common rafters today, each at about a total length of 13 feet. This is not a small project. This is going to be a big deal today, and there's going to be a lot going on. And let's check out the latest progress from last week. Here we go. Getting the loft in.
Okay, here's the situation. The wall is off just by a little bit. And before I finish screwing this loft in, I want to make sure I can get this wall plumb to exactly where it needs to be. Let me show you. So I got to push the wall out. It's leaning a little bit forward. In order to do that, I'm going to use the Wall Leveler 3000. Check it out. Here's the setup. I got this come along and I have it attached to my 2x8 loft beam, and I have it attached to my wall. The reason why I have a blanket around it is because I don't want this strap to indent on the siding. I want to protect that siding. And really all I'm trying to do is hold onto the wall and push it forward. And by moving it forward slowly, I'm hopeful that I can get this wall to level. How did I realize it was off? Well, as I was installing the loft rafters, I realized that all these rafters are cut at their exact length. The ones in the middle were shy. So this is gonna shore things up. Let's check it out. Oh, look at that. The Wall Leveler 3000 works again. And now I can screw it in. Huh? And maybe one more pump. Yeah, pretty good.
The question that I still have is, can I finish this on time before I have to start sugaring? Today is tapping day in Connecticut, and I'm going to be getting our taps out there. It's going to be in the upper 30s today, and it's perfect weather to get sap to flow out of the trees. It's going to take a few days for me to collect enough sap before I have to boil it. The question is, can I finish this project? Can I get my evaporator installed in the building with the chimney, all safe and sound, in time? I don't know. I don't think so. But you know what? We're going to give it our best shot. It's going to be a photo finish. We're going to do it safely. We're going to do it with good quality. And we're going to see how far we can get done with this whole thing. Thanks for joining me in this journey. There's a lot more to come. And let's see how far we can make it. Thanks for watching.